The first step to a perfect mix is knowing your music inside out. Listen to your tracks repeatedly. Get familiar with the rhythm, the lyrics, the breaks, the drops, and the build-ups. This intimate knowledge allows you to anticipate what's coming up next and weave your tracks together seamlessly. The best DJ mixes aren't just about the tracks, they're about how you manipulate them. Get to grips with your DJ gear. Understand the functionality of every knob, button, and slider. Explore the effects, the loops, and the samples. Use them creatively to add texture and depth to your mixes. An essential skill for every DJ, beatmatching is the art of syncing the tempo of two tracks so they can play together harmoniously. This requires a keen ear and plenty of practice. Start slow, with tracks that have similar beats per minute, BPM. As you get better, challenge yourself with tracks of varying BPM. Equalizing or EQing helps in blending tracks smoothly. It involves adjusting the bass, mid, and treble frequencies to avoid clashing sounds. Remember, when one track's bass is up, turn down the others. The same rule applies to the mid and treble frequencies. Also known as key matching, harmonic mixing involves mixing tracks that are in the same or related keys. This creates a harmonious flow and is pleasing to the ear. Use a key detection software to help you identify the keys of your tracks. Regularly recording your mixes provides you with a chance to listen back, spot mistakes, and identify areas for improvement. Be your own critic. This helps you refine your technique and develop your unique style. In conclusion, mastering DJ mixing requires understanding your tracks, getting to grips with your equipment, practicing beat matching, experimenting with EQing, exploring harmonic mixing, and reviewing your mixes. These steps may seem daunting, but remember, every great DJ started somewhere. With patience, practice, and a passion for music, you can create mixes that not only sound professional, but also reflect your unique musical style. Now go forth and mix with confidence.